Most people think Earth is finished. The continents are mapped, the oceans are explored, and every place that could exist already exists. But that's not true. Right now, our planet is still creating new places, new islands, new caves, new landscapes, and somewhere beneath the ocean, Earth is building something that may one day become a brand new island. Stay until the end, because the final place on this list is the most incredible of them all. If you enjoy fascinating facts about our world, subscribe to Informboom. Waitomo Caves. Deep beneath New Zealand lies one of the most famous cave systems on Earth. But these caves are far from finished. Millions of years ago, this area was covered by an ancient ocean. The limestone that forms the caves was once made from the remains of marine creatures. Today, underground rivers continue flowing through the rock, drop by drop, year after year. The water slowly carves new tunnels and expands existing chambers. Some cave formations grow only a few centimeters over hundreds of years. The caves are also famous for their glowworms. Thousands of tiny lights cover the ceilings, creating what looks like a star-filled night sky underground. Even now, nature continues shaping this hidden world beneath the surface. Dallol. Dallol looks more like another planet than a place on Earth. Located in one of the hottest regions on the planet, this landscape is constantly changing. Hot water, rich in minerals, rises from deep underground. As it reaches the surface, it creates colorful formations of salt, sulfur, and other minerals. Bright yellow, orange, green, white, new formations appear while older ones disappear. Some pools are extremely acidic. Scientists study Dallol because its harsh conditions may resemble environments found on Mars or other worlds. The landscape never truly stays the same. Earth is constantly rebuilding it. Nahuku Lava. Tubes beneath Hawaii lies a network of tunnels created by rivers of molten rock. When lava flows across the land, the outer surface cools first. But inside, the lava keeps moving. Eventually, the molten rock drains away. What remains is a hollow tunnel. Some lava tubes stretch for miles underground. Others branch into entire underground systems. These structures reveal how powerful volcanic forces continue shaping Hawaii. Even today, volcanic activity creates new formations beneath the islands. The process never completely stops. Earth is still building underground. Parícutin. In 1943, a farmer named Dionisio Pulido was working in his field. Suddenly, he noticed a crack opening in the ground. At first, it seemed harmless. Then came smoke. Soon after, ash and rocks began erupting into the air. A volcano was being born, right in front of him. Within a single year, the volcano had already grown hundreds of feet tall. Over time, it reached more than 1,300 feet above the surrounding landscape. Entire villages were buried by lava and ash. Parícutin remains one of the very few volcanoes in history that humans witnessed from its very first day of existence. Few people can say they watched a mountain appear from nothing. Hunga Tonga, Hunga Ha'apai. Far out in the Pacific Ocean, powerful volcanic eruptions created something remarkable. New land emerged above the waves. Separate islands became connected. Scientists around the world watched the process using satellites. NASA closely monitored the growing island because opportunities like this are extremely rare. Researchers expected the new land to disappear quickly. Instead, it survived far longer than predicted. Then, in 2022, one of the most powerful volcanic eruptions in modern history dramatically changed the region once again. The landscape continues evolving, and the story is still being written. Surtsey. In 1963, fishermen off the coast of Iceland noticed smoke rising from the ocean. An underwater volcanic eruption had begun. For years, lava and ash continued building upward. Eventually, a completely new island emerged from the sea. Scientists immediately recognized how valuable this was. A brand new piece of land had appeared. They could observe how life colonizes new territory from the very beginning. To protect the experiment, access to the island became highly restricted. First came bacteria, then mosses and small plants. Birds eventually arrived and began nesting there. Over time, an entire ecosystem developed. Today, Surtsey remains one of the world's youngest islands and one of the most important natural laboratories on Earth. But the most fascinating place on this list is still waiting below the ocean. The place. Earth is still building. Remember the mystery from the beginning? The place Earth is still building right now. Loihi Seamount. Far beneath the Pacific Ocean, southeast of Hawaii, a giant underwater volcano continues to grow. Most people have never heard of it, because it remains hidden beneath nearly 3,000 feet of water. Yet, this volcano is enormous. In fact, from its base on the ocean floor, it rises higher than many famous mountains on land. Scientists regularly detect earthquakes and volcanic activity around Loihi. These are signs that it is still alive, still growing, still changing. Researchers believe Loihi may eventually rise above the surface and become the newest Hawaiian island. That process could take thousands of years, perhaps even longer. But it is already happening. Right now. At this very moment, Earth may be creating a future island that no human has ever walked on. The map of our planet is not finished, and somewhere beneath the waves, the next island may already be waiting to appear. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Informboom for more fascinating discoveries about our world.